Hi everyone. Okay, so today it's gonna be me and Zailey the baddie. Y'all literally haven't seen her in like forever. We literally were in one video together that I made, and that was in like
3 years ago.
That was like 3 years ago. But now we're at my apartment. You know, I live in my own place, as y'all know, and we are just gonna have like a little like smoke day, just do a lot of things. We're doing a lot of things today, and y'all are gonna come with us. And yeah, we're eating tacos right now. It's actually like pretty cool. We're eating tacos that my aunt got us, and then yeah. Oh, also I got a tattoo, and it's like looks not good right now because it has like the wrap on it, but it's like a snake that goes all the way to my forearm. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, and we're just gonna smoke and chill, and yeah.
Hello. Y'all have not seen me in 3 years. And within that 3 years, I have bought my own home. I bought my own car. I am now leasing out 2 dogs, and I paid for my own couch. I did a down payment of $2,000, and now I own also a mattress firm. So I'm just doing big things within the 3 years. Y'all wouldn't know, okay? This is actually my place. She's just squatting in here. She's a runner. A squatter and a runner and a thief. Okay, so this is actually my room, and welcome to my home.
Okay, so this is my first time hitting it.
Oh, since you bought it?
Yeah.
Really?
I have not hit it.
Dog, I just hit it like 10 fucking times. Oh my god. Dog.
Okay, update. We're taking pictures of our setup because it's like so cool and we feel like bougie as hell.
And super rich, and I feel like I'm just a big timer.
Yo. I just realized that like Pumpkin literally spilled all the fucking rice. What the fuck? Okay, we're finna go swimming. Wait. What the fuck? I can't do this. I love the face.
My lips look.
So we're gonna go to a bunch of smoke shops. And we are going to give them Zailey's resume, and then she's gonna apply to work at a smoke shop.
Do my eyes look red? And like, do they look weird at all?
No,
Okay.
You look good. Do I look high? I feel like I never look high.
Yeah, you don't ever.
It literally looks like pumpkin. Oh my god. I'm gonna so cute.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday.
So I just dropped off Zailey. I dropped her off at home, and now I'm back home and I'm chilling in bed. I am just, you know, chilling for the rest of the day. It's Sunday. She did spend the night, and we literally just like smoked a lot, and then we went swimming for a little bit. I just vlogged like little clips of everything just because I thought it would be cool just to show y'all like a day in my life of me spending a Saturday with Zailey, which we are trying to make like a weekly thing where we hang out every Saturday and just hang out and do whatever we want. And then yeah, but yeah, so I had a lot of fun with her this weekend. I also did want to show y'all something that I did get Friday. I don't know if I showed y'all at any point in the video, but this is how it looks now, my tattoo. It's like, you know, it looks kind of weird just because it's still the thing is still on it, so like all the ink and the blood and stuff is all mixed together, but it's super cool. I really like my tattoo, and yeah, so I'm really happy with it. And yeah, so that's basically going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Weekend in my life of me with my friends and just chilling, and yeah.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling
That bondage shit.
'cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the
But we have to go off the
keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free
Okay.
mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
Yeah.
The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine.
Yeah. Let's go back to the spot.
I'm gonna go like top left.
Yeah.
Like for real. Like.
This is so.
Hey, yeah, no.
Alright, so hi everyone. I look kind of different. I've had this hairstyle for like 3 weeks now. But this video, all the clips that were made, I actually made them in July. This whole video was, I guess, like mid or ending of July is when I made all these videos, and it is now October 1st. So it's been about 3 months that I've had all these clips on my phone, but I never posted them because I suck. But Zailey is still great. Zailey is awesome. She's swag. We haven't really hung out too much recently. In August and beginning of September, we were hanging out like every single day. We haven't really hung out too much recently just because we have both been super busy, but we are gonna start hanging out way more. Hopefully soon, and then whenever we do, I'll definitely record those clips because I did enjoy making this video with her. I guess I was procrastinating posting this video, which is my bad. I've just been super busy. I work a lot, and then I was with Zailey all the time, or with my boyfriend, or just doing something, and so I just never was able to do this. But yeah, I just wanted to finish this out now. And yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and y'all take care. Okay, bye.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.